Hey, hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Got my lovely wife Jen right there. And we got a little man back there. Hi, Manny. And we are getting ready to go to a Mediterranean store to buy something really unique, and that a friend showed me how to make. Now, if you're wondering what we're making with these, we are getting ready to make some grape leaves. I want to give a shout out to my best friend Jimmy for showing me this years ago. This is one of my favorite foods that he used to make. And so we're going to make it, and I'm going to show you how to make it. At least my way, anyway. Now, the things you'll need, of course, is the grape leaves, which I got right there. You'll also need some hamburger, or some people use lamb. We like hamburger. And yeah, I fed them. And some rice. But you don't have to use rice. You can actually use whatever you want. And we're also going to put some butter in it. And plus you'll need a bowl to mix it in. I'm going to make some without rice because my son Manny, you know, of course, on account that he's autistic, he's also on the keto and Atkins diet. So we're going to make his a little bit separate, which is why I have two bowls right there. Now, as you noticed, I went ahead and added, you might want to add like maybe a cup of rice, which I've already added, and some butter. And I'm also going to add some butter to Manny's there. Okay, now we got the butter added into Manny's. Now you mix it. You can use any kind of seasoning that you want. You can, salt, pepper, oregano, or any kind of season that you want. Garlic powder. Some people like it bland, but whatever you want. But you just don't forget to mix it. I forgot to mention, we also put eggs in it. It's a big, large thing, 6 pounds or more. We're going to go basically like 2 eggs. For Manny's, we're only going to put 1. It's mainly to help keep the hamburger and everything together. Now what we're doing is we're rinsing off the grape leaves. You want to make sure that they're nicely rinsed to get all of the water from beforehand off. But you want to keep it wet, so you want to make sure that they stay moist. You don't want your leaves to dry out.
And here comes the fun part, the rolling.
You're basically going to put them all together like this. What we ended up doing was put Manny's with ours. So it's a little bit hot because we had started his, and then I stopped it so I could mix Manny's with ours. So at least we know Manny's is going to be at the top. So the next thing you're going to want to do, of course, is you're going to want to add water and fill it up, and then you want to weigh it down, and I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. And as you can see, I got these plates on top to weigh it down. So now we just get to sit back and wait.
2,000 years later.
Oh. And now we're gonna go ahead and take these plates off. We use these as our weights. There they are. And there you have it. A nice plate of grape leaves. Now, you don't have to make them the same way that I make them. I mean, everybody else does it different. And, just try it your way, But I want to give a shout out to all my Syrian, Arab, Indian, Greek friends out there, brothers and sisters, for coming up with a dish like this. And it's really good. And again, another shout out to my buddy Jimmy and his wife Marcy for introducing me to this dish years ago. Again, thank you. And I'm gonna go ahead and call this video a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and love to hear from you. So until next time, God bless, be safe, have a wonderful day. Bye.